Hello, my name is Ray Marie from Opengear. In this video, we'll look at configuration templates in Lighthouse. So let's log in via the GUI so I can illustrate. So here I'm logging in as the root user, or if you have an admin user, it will also work. So let's navigate to the configuration template page. So in this video, we'll create users and groups template, remote authentication templates, script templates, and then apply them to an Opengear device. So in Lighthouse, an Opengear device is referred to as a node. So I will use the term nodes from now on to refer to the Opengear device that's enrolled in Lighthouse. So what are templates used for? So let's start with the users and groups template. So this one allows you to define local users and groups. And when you apply the template, they are created on the nodes. Authentication templates. So this one allows you to define authentication schemes such as radius, TACACS, LDAP, which are then applied to a node. Script templates. This is very flexible and powerful. Configurations such as NTP, syslog, firewall can be written as a script and then applied to a node. Enrollment bundles. So here, enrollment bundles may contain multiple templates. So when a node enrolls, these templates are applied in the order they're added. So bye-bye manual configuration of nodes. Okay, so let's create a new users and groups template. So go back, click on the link here. So what we'll do is create a network admin group with admin role on the node. We'll also create a user that is a member of this network admin group. Click on the plus sign, add a name, network admin, description, local network admin. Now we actually click on this link to add the group. We'll name it network admin. So the role defaults to network node administrator, which gives admin rights on the node. There's also another role here, which is node user. So this restricts access to serial ports, which you can select here. So we'll go back to node administrator. This is the role that we want. Click apply. So now we add a user. We'll name this out-of-band. Make sure to select the group. If the group is not selected, then the user will not be able to log in on the node. Click apply. That's pretty much done. You can save the templates, or you can go back and edit the details or add more groups or users as necessary for this particular template. Right, so let's save the template and we're done. So now it lists the actual template for this users and groups template. Okay, so next we're going to create the authentication template. So what I'd like to do is push the same remote authentication that's being used on Lighthouse to the nodes. So let's have a look at the settings on Lighthouse first. Currently I'm using Radius on Lighthouse, so I want to push these same settings to the nodes. So go back to authentication template, click plus, I'm going to name this Radius. So if we click pre-populate, it will automatically fill in the fields here, and we just need to type in the passwords. However, if you wanted to use different authentication settings for the nodes, you can choose from TACACS, fill in the details, save template, LDAP, or reset back to local users for the nodes. In this case, I want to use Radius, so I'll click pre-populate, type in the Radius server password, and click save. And that's it, we're done. Let's move on to script templates. So click on the script template, click on the plus sign to add a new template. But first, let's have a look at an example script template. So here I have exported the NTP and time zone settings from an operations manager device, and this can be applied to any other Operations Manager nodes devices. So the example here, the first line is what scripting language to interpret this in. And this is starting with hash, is basically a comment that I wrote, set time zone and NTP. This one, so replace any system time zone settings with time zone, Australia, Brisbane. The next one is replace the service's NTP setting, make sure it's enabled with the server's AU pool.ntp.org. So programming languages, most of them start with an index starting at 0. So if you do want to add another one, so it's basically copy, and this should be 1. So now you have 2 NTP servers, and you can save this. Important thing with scripts is to make sure, look on the bottom right hand side when using Notepad++ that is saved in Unix line feed format. If it's not saved in this format, it will not run correctly on the node. Right, so let's upload this script to Lighthouse. So let's name this NTP and Time Zone Operations Manager. The script timeout is defaults to 15 minutes. So if for some reason there's an error in the script and it runs over 15 minutes, it'll be automatically stopped. The script checksum and size will be calculated after the file is uploaded. Now you can choose the file to upload, select the file, click open, and basically save the template. So that's done. If you have a new version of the script, you don't have to delete this again and recreate it. You can just edit it and basically upload a new version of the script, and it will actually overwrite the old one. So the system only keeps the latest script, basically, and just click save. That's it, we're done. It's time to apply the templates. But before we do, let's log into the node so we can see the changes after the before and after the template is applied. So we go to the nodes. So we click on the computer icon, just open up in a new tab for both nodes. So we'll log into the first one. We'll have a look at the users and groups. All right, so the groups and the users doesn't exist here. This is the standard root user only. Log into the other one. We'll go to configure user management page, have a look at the groups. All right, so we don't have the network admin group or the out of band user. So go back to Lighthouse, go to apply templates. So there's several templates here. So there's the authentication one, the radius we created previously, the users and groups, which we are going to apply, the script templates, and we also have the NetOps module and the port logging. So these two are pre-built with Lighthouse. From this page, you can only select one template to apply. So we can select network admin, click select nodes. Now from here, we just want these two nodes, so we can just click this checkbox above. Or if you want a specific one, you don't see this in the page, you can actually just type in the name of the nodes and filter that. Okay, and another method is to create a smart group. We won't go into this, but smart groups, you can group nodes based on their different attributes, tags, model names, etc. In this case, we just want to apply it to these two nodes. We'll select them and we'll click pre-flight. So this page doesn't auto refresh, so we just need to click this icon here to update. Everything looks all right with the template. So now we can push the configuration. So it shows in progress. It doesn't auto refresh, so make sure to click this button here. All right, so check the status to make sure that it's a success. Looks like everything has been pushed now. Okay, so let's see the results on the nodes. So we'll just refresh this page. All right, looks like our group network admin and the user has been pushed to this node. Let's see the same with this one. Yep, the group network admin and the local users. Looks like it's been applied. All right, that's good. So we'll just go back to the start of the Apply Templates page. And from here, you can apply another template and so on. All right, so we're done with the Apply Templates now. So templates can also be applied during node enrollment. To do that, we go to the Enrollment Bundles page, click the plus to create a new bundle. The name is required and so is a token. I recommend selecting Auto Approve so you don't have to manually approve each node during enrollment. Tags can be added to the nodes as well during enrollment using the bundle here. And importantly, you can select multiple templates here. So let's select all the ones. So templates are applied from top to bottom. You can rearrange the order if you wish. So the NetOps module templates can also be applied here. So that covers enrollment bundles with templates. So we have covered authentication, users groups, script templates, applying the templates, and adding templates to enrollment bundle. So one last step with the script templates uploaded into Lighthouse. So you can view the contents of all your script templates by generating the support report from Lighthouse. Download the zip file, which I've already done. Open up the zip file, browse to the data directory and scripts templates directory. So in here, we've only got the one template, script templates that we've created, but if you have uploaded other ones, they will be in this directory as well. All right, thank you very much for watching. Hope you found it useful.